Okay, earlier we found the vertex of this function, right? So we determined also, while we were at it, that the y-intercept was at 0, 8. We just plug in 0 for x and we find that y is 8, right? And again, what we did was the axis of symmetry, because what we said here was that negative b over 2a, that turned out to be negative 3. So at x equals negative 3, we plug that in to the function. And we get y equals negative 1, so that's our vertex, because our vertex is on the axis of symmetry. Okay, so here's our vertex, and here's our y-intercept, right? And it's a parabola. And here's our axis of symmetry while we're at it. So the parabola opens kind of like this, and then comes over here very similarly. There's our parabola. So what's the range?
-1 to infinity.
Yeah, it's a set of y values. It includes negative 3 because the vertex is a point on the graph. And the vertex is at negative, not negative 3, negative 1. And it opens upward, and there's no end to it. So it's negative 1 to infinity. Okay?
All right.
And infinity is at an open end because infinity is not a number. Okay? So you can never actually achieve infinity, you just approach it. So we don't make that a closed interval because that would imply you could reach infinity. Subtly, but you might want to understand that, okay? And the domain. I'll say it like this. For this function, any x value works. You put any x value into that formula, you get a y value. Put a big x value in, it's going to be really big, right?
Right.
Now, on what intervals is this graph or this function increasing, and on what intervals is it decreasing?